Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity in MoonPay. So first of all, you need to open your MoonPay application. Then you need to sign in into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account on MoonPay, if you haven't created it yet, you can just simply create your account here with the help of your email address. Then you need to first of all verify your email address in order to get the options of buy and selling over here. Now once that is done, the system is going to ask you to complete the KYC. So here on the home page itself, you will be able to see the verification or verify your identity option. But as you can see, there is no such option available in my account. So in order to get it, when you just tap on the option of buy, when you enter the amount of crypto that you want to purchase over here, and when you tap on the option of continue here on the bottom, you will be landed on the payment page. But if your MoonPay account is not verified, it is going to ask you some of the questions, and that will be the verification process. So this way also the verification process will be started. As you can see over here, it is asking me to provide my personal details and some of the information about the residency. So here you can click on the option of get started. After that, you need to select the country in which you are living. Then you need to press continue. Afterwards, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then press continue again. Now you need to enter your personal details, and remember that these details should include the name and the date of birth of yours that is available in your government issued ID like on passport. Afterwards, you need to simply press continue here on the bottom. On the next page, you will be asked to select the verification or the government issued ID. It can be a passport, it can be a driver's license, or any kind of national ID. So you need to select it and upload clear photographs of that. After that, it can also ask you to complete a selfie check. So this particular step is done to confirm that the person on the ID is really you. So you need to just allow the camera access, look straight into the camera, and follow further on-screen instructions. Now in some cases, if you are making larger transactions, MoonPay may also ask for the proof of address such as a utility bill or any kind of bank statement. So after filling out these details, you need to click on the option of submit, and your verification will be under review. Within just 24 to 48 hours, you will get the result or the verification of your MoonPay account very easily. So this way you will be able to verify your identity on MoonPay. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial or any other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.